Hello. Welcome back channel. Popular Food Tourism USA.
Paris Las Vegas is a casino hotel on the Las Vegas Strip in Paradise, Nevada. It is owned and operated by Caesars Entertainment and has a 95,263 square foot casino with over 1,700 slot machines. The theme is the City of Paris. It includes a half-scale, 540-foot, 164.6 m, tall replica of the Eiffel Tower, a sign in the shape of the Montgolfier balloon, a 2/3 size Arc de Triomphe, a replica of La Fontaine de Meurs, and a 1,200-seat theater called Le Théâtre d'Arts. The front of the hotel suggests the Louvre, Musée d'Orsay, and Paris Opera House. The Paris is linked via a promenade to its sister property, Horseshoe Las Vegas, through which it is linked to the Las Vegas monorail at the Horseshoe and Paris station. Now, you can walking tour with channel. Popular Food Tourism USA.
Planet Hollywood, a world-renowned trademark established in 1991, continues to expand its brand into a wide array of dynamic ventures such as the new Planet Hollywood Resort and Casino in Las Vegas. The resort and casino was unveiled and has positioned Planet Hollywood as the premier entertainment authority and destination. Founder, Robert Earl, along with original partners and stockholders Bruce Willis and Sylvester Stallone, continue to steer Planet Hollywood toward exciting and new endeavors while enlisting the star power of Hollywood's brightest celebrities. With world-class gaming, live entertainment, distinctive dining and out-of-this-world shopping, Planet Hollywood provides guests of every age an unrivaled and unforgettable entertainment experience.